shit is wicked out here. Niggas got problems. Nothing the God can't solve. What's the nigga's resume? Some fake ass nigga out here. Motherfucker dropped down on the ambulance. Hey yo son, I might not even see the fucking light. Enough said, son. 100.
Yes, sir. Today is 12/18, 2020. 63 days from the day. We decided I'm gonna do something different with this dashboard. I can put you on here now, can't I? Because you're cute today.
Claude Hammers.
Cute today, so put it on. I'm sorry, baby. This is where we at. Knee hurt. We're at Wally World. No, them motherfuckers is old. We're at Wally World. You get a shopping cart here, baby? Pick up a few supplies. What's up, man? Scoot that thing on by. That's what your boy like. I like that. That. They ain't got shit else already.
Just that around there. This is thin.
Yeah, I need it to be way thinner than that, though. Way thinner. Way thinner. Shit like these. But that's not. I need one. No, not paper thin, like cardboard thin. They got good shears and stuff too, babe. So we can cut that fabric. Shit, they got small purpose one down there for the dirt. Shit. Yeah, man.
$1.68. I paid for that one was $6.
$6 last night. What store was that?
$6.78.
What store was that? Was that Joanne Fabrics?
$6.78. I did.
Walmart, man. Yeah, they be having that shit though. We finna see how to take this door panel off. I need to get a light because I want to be another light. I want to be able to see down here. Because they say it's a clip can hold these rotary things, and I ain't never took one out before. So, be able to find that clip. Alright, I have to cut y'all back on. I had to go get my book, as y'all can see. This book here. Man, this book done been so valuable to me. You know? Maybe that was backwards. I don't know how y'all seeing that. Let me see. Let me cut y'all off. I'm trying to keep in mind that it's December 2. December 30th. Just need one piece of it to come out. That's right. 60. Oh, that all. Like to see it, here it go. there you is. I got half of it glued down on this side. Now I'm finna do the other half. You can see it's starting to form. Man, just getting this stuff to lay down, like, it's really part of it, man. It's the challenge, man. But that shit look good, though. I ain't even painted the car yet. We all primed it up. We go with that side. You know, the dash in there, all black. Everything all black, except that I done touched. Like my motherfucking soul. Look at that shit, boy. Hell yeah. I gotta do something about that steering wheel. I'm finna get ready to button up the, what you call that shit? The dashboard. Get ready to button that up. Oh, there go my coffee right there. Shit. I was looking for you. Looking for that motherfucker. I'm getting ready to button everything up. Put the bulbs in there. This whole front gonna be done. It's gonna be done today. You know what I mean? I ain't got to the point where I can just sit here and set this camera up and, you know what I mean, let y'all watch me do the shit. But, I mean, do it your goddamn self, and you can keep that money in the house. So that's the name of this fucking, oh, my kids gonna watch this. You're crazy. Keeping that cheddar to ourselves, man. We ain't self-independence. Oh, there we go. Okay, I blocked the light with my hand. You can really see it. I gotta button that up over there. And then I gotta button up under my dash. And I gotta do something about that steering wheel, so but we probably gonna pull that out anyway. I always wanted this certain type, and I'll save that for another video. But I'll pull the rest of the tape off. Man, this motherfucker one color. It's a primer. I don't give a fuck, man. This bitch used to be about 2 colors, man. When I bought this mother, oh shit, I'm showing my plate. I'm gonna have to find a way to blog that out. Yeah. So, we coming. Doors are done. Doors look good, right? They look real. Okay. So there you are. Door panels. Dash. Oh, guess what we got out of that though? Ooh, that seat out. We got that seat out. Carpet coming out next. Just one piece. And I'm gonna show y'all how to, you ain't got to spend, man. Them pieces for this stuff is like $200, man. And they ain't even including shipping. So I'm gonna show y'all how to change this. I got good dampening down there too. I thought that stuff would have been old for this to be a 77. Yeah. Let's see.